Good day everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn about specialized cells and stem cells. And during the lesson, you will master these four objectives. And the first one is explain what specialized cells are and describe their adaptations. And the second one is define the term stem cell and identify the different types of stem cells. Then you will be able to describe how stem cells are used to treat diseases. And lastly, you will be able to evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of stem cell use. I have inserted the images of three main specialized cells. And before going through that, we will learn the main terminology terms and their descriptions. So what are specialized cells? So they are a type of cell which have differentiated and have specific structures to perform its own function. So they have like their own traits and like their own specialized structures to perform a specific function. So what are stem cells? Stem cells are undifferentiated cells that can divide multiple times, and we will learn about these kinds of stem cells and later on throughout the lesson. And here are the three types of stem cells, like three examples. The first one is ciliated epithelial cells. I might have spelled this wrong, and you can see here these kinds of stem cells have long hair-like structures, and this will help them to remove the dust and like pathogenic organisms from the organism with the support of mucus, and they will basically help to fight against pathogenic bacteria cells more efficiently. And they also have many mitochondria to provide energy for the components to move freely. So the second one is a nerve cell. As you can see, the longest part of the cell is the axon, and it is really helpful to like connect with other neurons and travel it helps electronic signals and impulses to travel for long distances. So it is specialized as a long structure. And the second one is the second adaptation is that it has myelin sheaths. It is for insulation. and also it has dendrites. It is for connecting with other neurons. And the third one is the red blood cell, and it has a biconcave shape, as it has no nucleus to provide and to fully fill with hemoglobin, and as there are more hemoglobin in the cell, it can efficiently transport oxygen throughout the body. So now we are going to talk about the types of stem cells. The first one is embryonic stem cells, and the second one is adult stem cells. And the embryonic stem cells are the cells which are taken from the embryo, and they can divide like millions of times, and they can differentiate to every kind of cell in the body. And the adult stem cells are the cells which are mainly taken from bone marrow and other parts of the organisms, and they only divide limited times, and therefore can differentiate into certain types of stem cells, like blood cells. And they treat diseases, they can replace damaged stem cells, and also tissues, and they can also be used to test new drugs, and they can also help to build more white blood cells and fight against infections. By this they can treat several diseases. And now the main part is the advantages and disadvantages of the stem cells. As I said, they can test new drugs, so it is making it much easier, and it can reduce the risk of organ rejection, as it is taken from the patient itself, and there will be less risk of organ rejection, and it can help to fight against diseases. And the disadvantages are mainly the ethical concerns, and they are mainly about the embryonic stem cells, as the embryonic human stem cells can develop into individual organisms, so some people may find it destroying one's life. So there are some ethical and cultural concerns about this idea. And also in a laboratory, stem cells can also pass some viruses and cause infection. And the main idea of this topic is here. I think you get what I meant, and thank you for your attention.